friends, and this is Filmora. And let's see today how to do very easy animation. For example, I have some background. I'm extending the length of this image from 5 seconds until 20 seconds, for example. Let's zoom in a little bit. And I have PNG file, the sun. I downloaded it like a royalty-free image. Okay, let's change it a bit its size to be like that. And position maybe here. Okay, and let's animate. Firstly, I will extend the duration of this file. Okay, let's do double left click of the mouse over this image. Now we have a lot of possibilities, and I'll go to the scale. And now both parameters are connected. So if I'm changing one scale, the second one will be changed. If I unlock, I can change the one only, but let it be locked. I want proportions to be saved. Okay, I'm looking. And let's say at the very beginning, I want to be no sun. So I'm clicking here, creating my first keyframe, and then something like in 9 seconds, the size of the sun to increase until 57%. Yes, and now keyframe is already created. And then I want to do rotation. I'm going to rotate and creating my first keyframe. And the very beginning, this is the position of our sun, and until the end, I want it to rotate for 300 degrees, for example. And let's see. The sun appears and started to rotate. I think it's interesting. Thank you. Bye.